Hi, Mark Swanson here with MarineMax in Naples, and I'm going to show you a boat that we have listed for sale. It's a 45 Divergence Coupe by Ocean Alexander. Come on board and we'll take a look. Alright, so we're on the cockpit of the boat, and you can see it's very large and spacious. There's plenty of room for seating. Down below there's a table that comes up, actuates up, or goes down if you want the extra space. On both sides of the boat, the sides actually go down, and within those sides there are dive doors on both sides. We've got an electronic shade that comes out over the cockpit of the boat, giving you ample shade to get out of the sun. We've got storage under here and a large locker on the transom of the boat. The boat is powered with quadruple 400s, lots of power for this boat. Moving over here, we've got for entertaining, a flip-up TV. And then also, we've got the kitchen with the Kenyan grill and a sink and a refrigerator down below with some extra storage. Let's go up to the bow and take a look. Alright, we're on the bow of the boat, and as you can see, there's lots of room up here. There's a very large sun pad with reclining headrest. And even with the headrest up, the captain has plenty of window and view to look out over anybody that's out here laying out. Lots of window. We've got cup holders, and we've also have a sun skylight for down below stateroom. Alright, we're going to come on inside, and as you can see, we've got a small galley here. We've got an ice maker, a little bit of countertop, got some understep lights coming in. Up in the dining area, you can see we've got a large U-shape seating around a nice table. Up on the helm station, on the Ocean Alexander Divergence, they've included the Octoplex system, which has all your power controls for the boat, all on your Garmin display screens, which is extremely convenient. Instead of having an extra screen, it's built into the Garmin's. The bolster seats, again, the view from here, you can see around 360 degrees of windows up here from the helm station. Looking back, you can see that we have a large sliding glass door, fully panoramic of the outside, opens it up nicely for entertaining your guests. Let's go down to the lower galley and salon. Down here we've got the galley over here. It's got sink, microwave oven, full refrigerator, stove, lots of storage. On the salon side, we've got a wraparound couch, TV with a Bose sound system with lots of storage overhead as well. This boat is laid out with 2 staterooms and a single head. We have the forward stateroom, the master stateroom, and then we have a second stateroom to my right. In here we've got the head, and it is beautiful. It is well laid out, lots of room for the shower, well appointed. Up in the forward stateroom, we've got a large bed, lots of light, under bed lights, lockers on each side, and storage on both sides as well. And then the aft stateroom has a large bed down over here, and we have a little sitting area over here with additional storage lockers and lighting and a port window. So Thanks for taking the time to look at the boat with me today. Again, my name is Mark Swanson. My phone number is 954-531-2505. Please give me a call with any questions on this boat. Thank you and have a great day.